full of streams. Not a word was spoken. The church bells all were broken. And the three men that I'd admired most, the Father, Son, and the Holy Ghost, they caught the last train for the coast. The day the music died, they were singing bye.